Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create or open a new Google Play Store account. First up, open your Google Play Store and then here tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now here, as you can see, if you're going to tap on the drop down menu, you'll find all the current emails or Gmails that you're currently using in your Play Store. To add another account, so tap on the Add Another Account button. So once you tap on this Add Another Account, basically you can start to sign in with a different account. So tap on this Google, and here, as you can see, just need to enter your email address. For example, I'm going to enter a sample email address, and then once done, tap on Next, and here you just need to enter your password. And then tap on Save button. And once done, here you can add your phone number. So basically you can just tap on Yes, I'm in. But in this case, I'm going to tap on Skip at the bottom left. And then here, tap on I agree. And finally, you have been signed in with another account. So to switch into this new account, you just need to go back to the main settings. So tap on profile icon at the top right, tap on drop down menu and select the new Gmail. So that's how you basically open a new account. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.